What's up, guys? Today we are doing the try not to make noise challenge, and with these people right here, not Brandon, not Adrian. So yeah.
Fuck you, Adrian.
We're gonna do 6 different challenges with all this stuff on the table, and the loser will.
It's your time to shine.
It's your time to shine, man.
Alright,
do it.
I can't back. Give me a second.
So the loser eats a gummy bear that's spicy.
His lip is twitching. Fuck!
In this challenge, we are showing who can be the quietest. The way we are doing this is by using a decibel meter in our phones. If you don't know what a decibel meter is, it basically just tells how much noise you're making. We will be doing 6 different types of tasks that we will have to be doing quietly. Whatever number that a decibel meter gives you as the max is the points that you'll be given for your score. We will be adding up all the scores from all 6 tasks, and whoever has the highest loses. And as you saw in the video, we will be eating a gummy bear that is 9 million Scoville units. The first task is going to be who can eat a slice of apple the quietest.
First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna eat apples. We're gonna take a bite of this apple. We're gonna see how much noise you can do with this.
You can loud there.
You ever heard of fried apples?
Well, we need other to fry the apple.
No, we don't.
We just need the apple to fry the apple?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. 69.5.
69.5. Alright.
Damn.
Okay. 66.8.
You did better.
Thank you. Okay. 68.4.
Alright. You, bro. 56.5?
Let's go. Okay, well, I won that round. Let's go.
Man, fuck you.
Now, we're gonna have to cut a cucumber with this knife. Here's Diddy. It's time to cut these.
apples. Oh damn.
Okay. Guys, you got 78.
78.0.
Hold on, bro. Stop having sex with the plushies.
You can't do that bullshit.
You can do whatever you want.
God damn, bro.
Dude,
What makes it 10 times harder?
bro, it's because it goes.
You have to go.
The hell?
Don't kill yourself.
4.3.
64.3.
For some reason, I was just waiting for it to just go.
Look at my big cock.
Alright, okay.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, bro, I have a lot of cucumbers
Yeah,
now.
bro, your mom's gonna be so happy.
My mom's gonna kill me. I have to touch my mouth.
Alright, guys, next up, we have to open a soda and drink it. Just one sip, though, not a lot. Not the whole thing, right? But still. Again, there's no rule. Just open it however you want. As long as you don't make as much noise as the other people, you win. No, I'm not sure what he's doing.
Fucking hell.
100 and what?
101.5.
.2. I mean, it's just two off, so.
I still got less than 100.
One oh one.
Me shooter.
What? 101.4. Shut up! Okay. 91.
91.6.
What are you doing? Alright, now we're doing chips. We have to open the bag and then you have to
What the hell?
You have to open the bag and you have to eat one chip only. And that's it. So yeah, Doritos. Let's go. 74.4. Shut up. $90.4.
Fuck my life.
You're next.
No. Yeah. Fuck me, no.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Still cool.
74. Alright guys, now we're doing Lunchables and we're gonna do Lunchables. What we have to do for this one, you have to open the Lunchable, obviously, right? And you have to create the cracker that's in the image. Not exactly the image, actually. Yeah, the image. That's the image.
That's a fat ass cracker. We gotta do lore accurate Lunchables.
$71.6.
Oh, bro, that's so hard to swallow. Can I have the rest of your cheese? Mm-hmm. There you go.
Oh yeah. Can I have the rest of your Lunchable?
No. Let's read this. Turkey and American cracker stickers.
Turkey and American cookie.
There's even a little helicopter on there and everything. F you, lunch league. Look, mine has a helicopter. Yours doesn't.
Alright, 68.9.
Damn.
Isaiah.
It's up in my phone, bro.
$66.7.
66.7. Fuck you guys.
$63.5.
What?
Yeah.
73.5. What do you mean?
73.5, my bad. Alright, now we got cereal. We have to make cereal, you gotta stir the whole thing and eat one part, just eat one.
Oh man.
$75.9.
75.
$67.9.
Dang. I tapped it and it gave me 4 fucking decimals.
No.
Dude, he's sold with that, dude.
$81.1.
Damn.
Let's cut to the results.
Unfortunately, the camera went out of focus, so here are the results. And yeah, Mikael lost, so he's gonna have to do the punishment.
No, you're sitting here choking.
I mean, for real. I'm so sorry, bro.
Bro, I think the worst part about this is that I brought the nitro.
This dude always
I brought
3, 2, 1. Go, bro. Let's see. He hit.
He instantly felt the spice.
Instantly hit him. He actually needs to do it.
Okay.
That was way too long.
Yeah, drink it.
Alright, Mika, is there anything you have to say?
You guys would think something like that.
What are you doing?